Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It's the last day of September, guys, September 30th, 2025, with less than 1 minute to go to the New York Open. Unchanged here on the NASDAQ, guys. A little tiny inside day with a doji body. Inside day on the S&P, inside day on the Dow as well. I think a lot of U.S. traders are playing the waiting game here, very reticent to pile in, given the looming government shutdown that might happen tonight at midnight. And so anybody's guess as to what's going to happen here on the New York Open. This is my 1 minute chart for the NASDAQ, guys. This is the Asian Open range. This is the London Open range. And we're about to have the New York Open range right here, essentially straddling or mingling with these other two. So quite an interesting picture, to say the least. In terms of the 30-minute time frame, guys, my zone time frame, simple support and resistance, you will see that we have some turbo zones here, clean traffic zones up above, another turbo zone down below, another one below that after a little bit of a pause here potentially. And so it's a very interesting picture, very tight range. I likely won't take any trades inside of this range, but anything's possible. And there's the 1 minute open range, guys. We're looking at about 30 points for the NASDAQ, and for the S&P, 3.5 points. Dropping down here now below. I'm going to be very patient, certainly inside of this range. New York Open range, once again, straddling both the Asian and the London Open ranges. Dropping down below here now, guys. Just going to delete the Asian and London Open ranges for now. Dropping down to the 30-second chart for a moment. Going to delete this arrow too to keep the charts nice and clean, but this is a clean traffic, or turbo zone as I like to call it. Both the NASDAQ and ES are below their open ranges now. Just being patient here, guys, nothing to do. S&P kind of hanging around, going sideways, sort of like it did yesterday. Maybe a little more movement today, but not much. Just going to let a bunch of candles print here, guys. I would like to see a pullback all the way to the underside of the open range, ideally here, guys, and that's VWAP too, of course. That blue line you see in the middle, that's VWAP, volume weighted average price. We've tagged it on the S&P, but not on the NASDAQ, my vehicle of choice. So patience is the name of the game here. I think at the very least, guys, I'm going to wait for this candle to close in this clean traffic range if it can, or if it does, to get some direction here, because this is a really indecisive, of course, resting candle here on the daily. Got some fairly clean price action on the 30-second chart here, guys. But this by itself is not enough for me to do anything, as you know. And as you can see, we've pulled all the way back to the bottom of the open range here, guys, but back inside of this range. And that's what I'm concerned with. If we stick around here or decide we want to get up above, then I certainly don't want to be shorting into this. It's a clean traffic range, but I need to see confirmation that this daily wants to go down. Going back to the 1 minute chart here, guys. I'll likely stay on the 1 minute chart now that we've got that initial flurry out of the way, and we're back in range, just grinding around. But I am watching closely here now, guys. Sell stop order. This is the dance, guys. This is the dance. Stop above that body. It's the opening price of the New York session. Sell stop order right now. That would also be a break back out of that range. You see that there? Daily body is bearish. And I'm in, guys. The 2-hour target would be inside of this turbo zone. Short the NASDAQ, guys. Here we go. There's still 10 minutes left in this candle, guys. We've done enough structural work here on the 1 minute chart, and seeing this daily staying bearish, I believe a coin toss is justified here to fill that wick and get beyond. And target one has been hit, guys, and so the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1R. Alright guys, as you can see, we have pulled all the way back to my entry, and so the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has been stopped out at break even. We have news in 30 seconds. It's the JOLTS report, high impact news. It sometimes can move the market, and unfortunately, the market is predicting bullish numbers, and so this might take me out of this trade just before hitting 1.5R here. While we're watching this, guys, Trump is speaking, of course, and clearly he's saying some things that the market likes, and so they're buying this thing up. All right, guys, it's 10:31, and unfortunately, President Trump is still speaking, and it's causing a lot of mess and wonkiness here in the market. As you can see, this is horrific price action. What I'm going to do here is make a judgment call, guys, and I'm going to move my targets to break even and try to get out of here with a break even on these other models. Let's see if we can do that. So I have my exit orders here, guys, at break even. I'll be out of all remaining models. If we can just get down to here. And for the record, guys, I'm going to add this to my rule set. I'm surprised I haven't done it until now. But when Donald Trump speaks, unfortunately, it really does create a very wonky environment for day traders. There it is, guys, out at break even on those three models, and a plus 1R winner, almost a 1.5. Didn't quite make it, so I certainly won't be counting that as 1.5. I want to thank you for joining me today, guys. Appreciate you, and I will talk to you soon.